This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. Today, I'm going to be going for the Veneer Dunks. Typically, I wouldn't be going for these, but I do have a buyer who's going to cop these off me. So I'll try to buy a full-size run ranging between size 8 to size 13. Oh, cop. There we go. And drop pretty late. To be honest, I thought these sneakers were mid, but in person, they definitely pop out. At first, they gave me Ninja Turtles vibes, but now I'm seeing Neon Genesis Evangelion. Thankfully, my buyer for these had agreed to just pay me for all the pairs in advance, and I just shipped them out as I get them in. Also, thankfully, these didn't take too long to arrive, so I was able to get them out rather quickly. And we also got a little bit of extra from the 1.5% cash back that we actually used to buy these shoes. Today we have Travis Scott's dropping. To many, this is considered to be a very, very important release because profit margins are astronomical. This is almost like getting an off-white shoe. But the bad news is that I don't think there's any confirmed first come first serve websites. So I'm only going to be running automations and I'm going to be running on Nike. First of all, I don't think bots are going to work to begin with. Second of all, if they do work, I feel like my account is clipped, but whatever, we'll see. Alright, any Shopify websites? Anything that triggered from my automations? Nope. Well, I don't feel bad about not setting up. L's on the baby sizes. I don't think I'm gonna cop the men's. Dude, instant L, what the heck? Let's not get our hopes up, because that's how you get disappointed. Yep, that just confirms it, bro. My Nike setup is donezo. It has run its course. Wait, what the f? Hang on. Ain't no way, bro. No, it's not shipping. It's not shipping. It's all the same size. Holy shit. I think I might have to stop my autos. There's no way that's actually gonna ship out. First of the month, so time to deduct expenses. This time I am temporarily removing NSB from my lineup because I have to switch up my Nike setup before I'm able to use the bot effectively again. Got nothing to do with the bot itself, the bot still works, but if anyone is familiar at all with Nike botting, you guys should know that the bot that you're using is actually just a very, very small percentage of what makes a good Nike setup. So I'm gonna give it a break for now until the conclusion of this web series. Nike SB Supreme is going to be dropping today. I am going to be full sending these 3 colorways, but this past season Supreme has been super difficult to hit, so I hope I at least walk away with a few pairs today. Please, I need these. Now we wait and pray. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Okay, it's solving. What? Wait, loaded out of stock? Oh, processing. Okay. We got processing on some. Cop 1, 2, 3. According to the bot, I only got 9 checkouts, but I checked my email and thankfully I actually got 14. Wish I got more, but I'll take it. I'm not exactly in love with these shoes, but I bet they're super comfortable though. Hopefully the camo one looks better. Is this one camo? Nope. What about this last pair that got delivered today? Nope. Okay, need to wait for more pairs to arrive. Ooh, this one looks a bit more interesting. Fortunately, didn't get any of the white ones. I think that's the best colorway. As for selling these, it's basically the same deal as with the Veneer Dunks. I'm paid in advance and I ship them out as I get them in. In other news, more of the Yeezy pods started to arrive. Sold them to the same buyer. I know I can get more on eBay selling them individually, but I do want to reach 10k as soon as possible. So for that purpose, bulk selling these I think is the right move. But speaking of individual sales, I did have some of those as well. Sold Hello Kitty slippers and the rest of my Taylor Swift CDs. Man, getting these CDs were so easy. My only regret is not buying more. Also sold SB Dunks and Asics. I finally did it. Took longer than I expected, that's for sure, but that is the kind of risk that's involved with making a web series like this. But we're not quite done yet. There are some topics that I feel like are super important to discuss, such as what about my remaining inventory? Did I lose any money from anything that I purchased? Or am I expecting to lose any money from anything that I purchased? Did I have to return anything? And lastly, there has been a ton of valuable lessons that I want to share with you guys that I learned throughout the journey of this entire web series, coming up on the next one.